Hi everybody, we are YANTAI YITE Hydraulic Equipment Sales Corporation Limited. Today, I will introduce one important tool for you. It's car dismounting shear. Car dismounting shear body is made of high AM400. Long wear resistance and other structural parts are made of Q354B manganese plate with high strength and strong toughness, greatly reducing the cracking failure rate and improving the service life of the equipment. Special material customers blade can be used automatically on all sides. High wear resistance and strong utilization rates greatly reduce the replacement cost of vulnerable parts. Reasonable close structural design reinforce a cylinder greatly, improve the shear force to avoid collision or cylinder damage or leakage. But once integrated circuit control system makes operators easily to operate, fast and sensitive action, improve the efficiency of disassembly. The large displacement rotary device with closed loop design has high torque and high stability, which makes the whole machine has super service life and low, safe and efficient with low maintenance cost. Now we will introduce the second part. That is the operation handle and excavator clamp up. It is made of the attitude manganese plates, lightweight design, high strength and toughness to meet all kinds of harsh assembly conditions. But once integrate value block hydraulic oil rod design has convenient installation and maintenance action sensitive clamp. Clearance does not chop the cylinder. But once the reinforce the cylinder design, lifting height high opening degree to meet the requirements of various types of small and medium-sized vehicles. The excavator climb up adopt the touchable design, which is convenient for customers to replace the excavator later and avoid repeated investment.